we're back with another video. Today we have my lovely husband.
What's up, y'all?
His name is AJ.
She said I must say hi, so hi.
That's it. Okay, guys, so this is my husband AJ, and today we're gonna do a Wendy's mukbang. So today we got four for 4s. We also gotta edit that part out. You can't help me out. You can't say
This is your page, your Mac, man. Listen, y'all, this is we didn't say one time for the one time, right? We get four for 4s, couple spicy nuggets, couple regular nuggets. I think it's more regular than spicy, honestly. They cheat us. And then we get 4 burgers.
Yep.
Look like 1 chicken, couple other beef, 1 with bacon.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
And we got the sweet and sour sauce, buttermilk ranch, honey mustard, and barbecue. We also got 4 drinks, 2 Cokes, 2 Sprites, and today Wendy's treated us to 4 free nuggets. So thank you, Wendy's. So we're just gonna dive in.
They can eat this, man.
No, oh, this video is not sponsored. This video is not sponsored. We're just doing it for our channel. So we have some questions today that we're gonna answer while we get on down into this.
I'm thirsty.
So babe, do you remember how we met?
That's me.
Oh, I'm sorry. Let's pray. Since AJ is new, he's gonna pray.
Dear Lord, thank you for this day. Thank you for this meal that you have brought in front of us. Please help us take part and be filled by it. In Jesus' name, amen.
Amen. Okay, guys, don't forget to comment down below and let us know what you get when you go to Wendy's. Let us know. We really want to know.
Not really. Who cares? It's food. You hungry? Eat.
It's okay.
Yo, she looked at me so mad. Well, for real, y'all, let us know.
Yeah, let us know.
Let us know what your favorite meal from Wendy's is, or any other place that we should actually try out.
Yeah, definitely. Wendy's fries, they're actually good. What do you think, babe?
Name bad. They're a little cold.
Yeah, it's a little cold, but they're good.
Oh gosh.
Babe, how did we meet? Do you remember?
What I remember. Question is, did you remember?
I do remember.
So she said. But yeah, it was. I first saw you with how we saw it. What, the first time we saw each other, or the first time we met, like
The first time we saw each other.
or it was at one of our friends' house.
Yeah.
She walked in and she was just like, "Who does do this?"
You lie. He's lying.
I'm like, "What's going on?"
Listen, guys. Everybody was at the house, right? We were all just having fun, chilling out.
I don't take this. I just nugget right here real quick.
We were all having fun, and he was just there. Everybody introduced themselves. Oh, I'm AJ. I said, I'm Jamie. You know, it was just that.
And from that moment on,
That's not true.
I had my aunt here.
Oh, well, that part is true. But I honestly, I didn't see anything. I didn't know AJ liked me. He didn't show anything, honestly.
That's the dangerous one, them. Coming like a snake. You don't hear them coming, but they get bite.
So it just went from there. Well, really, we used to hang out still. Well, not just me and him, but everybody else. And you know, one day he got the chance to tell me that he liked me. But I gave him a hard time. Didn't I?
As every woman do.
Not every woman. No.
Oh,
I'm going in for this one.
of course. Bacon head.
Mm. Guys, I absolutely love bacon. Yeah.
I guess I gave the boring sandwich. Got a burger and cheese.
Well, honestly, looking back, I can really say that I'm happy that AJ said something, because we wouldn't be married now. We wouldn't be living such a, we have challenges here and there, but I am happy that, we're married. I'm really happy. Well, the next question is,
Yeah, you don't went to that second question.
yeah, who pursued who? He did.
Damn right. Couldn't leave that man get away.
Okay. Who? No, that's a lie. How many kids? How many kids? Yeah. Ask my question then. So.
Oh.
How many kids?
How many kids do you guys want?
2. How many do you want, babe?
If she says so.
How many you want?
I want 3. No less than 3. No more than 4. 4 is the maximum.
Actually, one twin.
You want a twin?
Mm-hmm.
No. Might happen.
Hopefully. Stay tuned, guys, because you may never know.
Mm-hmm.
Who is the crazy one?
Listen. Jamie is crazy, okay?
Not true. Not true.
That is completely true.
Not true.
Now, yeah, let me tell you a little story, right? I am the type of man, if you ain't crazy, I didn't want you. So, you know for a fact.
What did he tell you guys? What did he say?
She crazy. Okay? Drive me insane. Run me up a wall. Over the smallest of stupidness too.
I don't believe, guys, don't believe AJ.
More than a little bit, babe. I'm right here. I could hear you.
Listen, I wouldn't say I'm crazy. I'm just, what's the word?
You tell me.
A little bit bossy, maybe. I want things to be done. Do I like to have my own way?
Yes.
Oh gosh. Not really.
Yes. Listen, this girl will tell me, you know what, babe? You could choose. The minute I choose, I don't want to do that. I say like 2, 3 things. Same as I be like, you know what? You let me know where you decide, and I'll just run with it. Woo!
What was that?
Listen, I ain't eat all day, okay?
What
Breast
the hell?
release. Let's going down. Anyway,
Huh?
who snores more? Oh, definitely me.
Oh my gosh. Sometimes I gotta
Definitely.
do this. AJ.
And I still continue snoring.
Yeah. And then I just turn my back.
And then 2 seconds later, she back on top of my chest.
Yeah. That's my favorite place to sleep.
Snoring. Okay?
That's my favorite place to sleep, guys.
Listen, food never tastes so good, yeah?
Mm-hmm. I must tell you, these sauces, bomb.
I ain't going nobody say. No matter where you go, this is the best sweet and sour sauce you could ever find. Okay? Wendy's be making the best sweet and sour sauce.
It's really good, guys. You should
Wendy's
really try it.
are looking for a check for promoting our sauce. Alright. You hear me? Alright.
Okay. What do we like best about each other?
Oh gosh. For craziness.
No, that's not true.
That ain't a turn me on. Sense of
Not
a
my
little children,
food?
please. That ain't a turn me on. Craziness is a turn on. Don't ask me why. It's weird. But that's the thing I like most about her.
Crazy?
Yeah.
Not even my food?
But that's good too. But your crazy is what got me.
Oh my god.
That's all I'm saying.
What do I like most about AJ? He's loyal. I know a lot of females can attest to that. And I know you guys are gonna come for me in the comments and be like, oh, how are you so sure that he's this and he's that? But for now, I can actually say
Forever,
Aw.
your boy gonna be loyal, okay? It is written down in the handbook of AJ. Loyal.
Like, honestly, guys, I can say I'm really happy that I found somebody who actually, you know,
This chicken sandwich is
shows.
mine.
You like it?
I'm about to find out.
Oh, actually shows me.
Oh gosh.
Oh my god! Someone just busted. As I was saying, guys, I'm just happy to find somebody who could, you know, show me some level of. I mean, I've had people before him who, yeah, loyal here and there, but I can speak for my husband. You know, he makes me feel secure in our marriage, and that's what I like the most. Thank you, babe.
Got me.
Disgusting. Okay. Wow, the perfect question is next. Who kissed who first? Who do you think? Let us know down below who you think.
That's what
first.
down below. In the next video, we're gonna say who will right hand or what answer it really
Yeah.
is. Because I will tell the guilty ones.
Oh gosh. Okay. What's the strangest thing you've eaten, babe?
Frog legs.
Ah! Yuck!
That thing tastes good though.
And I thought that chicken feet were the worst things because I mean, everybody who's from Jamaica, who's on my channel right now, they could tell you that a good chicken foot soup, oh, that thing goes down so good. I made it for AJ, and it was the worst thing for him, honestly. But there goes.
I didn't eat it though.
He didn't. I had to eat all of them.
That is so weird.
But that was good for me.
Dude, imagine right coming home and she's like, hey babe, I made soup. I'm like, yeah. I've been wanting some soup for a while. And you guys about the first thing, put it in play. You don't see me there, you know. Until you're digging with your own spoon. I see this little thing like this. What is that? I am not eating it. No. No. Ever since then, honey, for me been chicken food.
Yeah, he calls me chicken food.
And she be...
Guys,
Yeah.
comment down below and tell my husband.
Yeah.
Chicken feet in a good Jamaican soup. Oh my God.
Any I eat chicken foot, I ain't nasty.
Yeah.
That is nasty. Ugh.
Okay. What phone app are you obsessed with? I already know.
You answer that question first.
TikTok. He's obsessed with TikTok.
I didn't ask you what question. I didn't ask you what it was for me.
I'm telling you guys, TikTok. He spends hours on TikTok.
2 hours a day.
That ain't true. That's not true.
2 hours
You know
a
what
day.
he did? He made a video with me without me knowing.
Hey, listen, right?
That
Every
one.
time you have TikTok, go check on my TikTok page.
I'll put it down. I'll put it up.
It's at Antonio Simon 95. Okay?
There you go.
Go check it out. Watch my videos. Like them. You want to see something, you know? It's a little bit of good content. Ain't much, but it's good.
Yeah, he's getting there. He's just starting out too. Which app am I obsessed with?
I don't know. WhatsApp.
WhatsApp, yeah.
See, I was on WhatsApp.
I'm always on WhatsApp, guys.
After who should be talking to?
He knows who I'm talking to. You know who I'm talking to. He knows. The thing is, guys, most of my family, they're back home in Jamaica. So, and most of my friends. So I'm always on WhatsApp. Always texting somebody. You know, somebody's always video calling me. But he knows. He knows. What word?
What word or phrase people use that you just can't stand? You go first.
Let me think about it. You go first.
Anyway, I don't know about a word or a phrase that I can't stand, but I could tell you something that people do that really piss me off, and she don't do it a lot. They'll call my name, they'll say something, if I don't hear them properly, I'll be like, what I was? They'll be like, oh, never mind. My boy, that'll piss me off. And you famous for that. She literally do it today, like 3 times already for the day. Bruh.
He said you like crazy, right?
Don't be like, never mind. No, that's not crazy. That's just annoying.
What the fuck?
That's just annoying. Okay?
Crazy. Whatever, crazy.
What?
What's your favorite thing that I make?
Hey, what word or phrase gets that you can't stand?
I don't know. I gotta think about it.
See, I'm asking that question. Next. Let's see what we have here. Top 3 things on your bucket list. You go first.
Definitely want to go to Dubai. No. I know this is not a bucket list. This shouldn't be a bucket list item. But I can't wait to go home and take him home with me so that he could meet my family and I could let him enjoy the island. Third one, definitely want to go skydiving. Skydiving, yeah.
That's your 3?
Yeah.
All right.
For now, it might change in the future.
My 3. Skydiving. Definitely. Something about it. I don't know what. Just want to do it. Don't ask me why. Secondly, I want to go like mountain climbing, like a legit mountain side of the mountain climbing, like cliffhanger type stuff, I'm a daredevil. That's my type of stuff, 3. Three. My third one would have to be I probably want to go Africa.
Oh yeah.
Just cause that is day. I gotta go Africa. Embrace my heritage.
Yeah.
Feel me?
Look there.
Dude.
Babe, look.
See? That's my hat there.
Yeah,
I like it in mine. First of all, Wendy'S, what's going on here? What is this? What is this? This like one of your employees were mad and just take and just dig their fingernail into this AMA. What? Oh, hell no. I ain't eating that. Great job.
Okay. What's your favorite thing that I cook?
Anything curry.
Curry. Yeah, he loves curry. I'll definitely be doing a video on how to make curry chicken or something with curry on my channel. So look out for that, guys.
What's your favorite thing that I cook?
He doesn't really cook, guys. But when we first started dating, he made me a pasta. And it was really good. You remember that one time when you came by the other house? Yeah. It was really good. He doesn't really cook. What's your favorite color? Mine is pink. I love pink. He loves.
I got like 4 or 5 favorite colors, but they come in a specific order, from top to least. Red, right? Your boy love red. Pink, next down underneath. Boom. After pink, you get blue. After blue, you get orange. That's it. 4.
So much.
Yeah,
He's a lot to deal with,
colors look good at me, Don't lie. Your boy look good in pink. Okay? Stay there.
Who is more outspoken?
That depends. That depends on the situation. Definitely depends on the situation. Like me, I'll just tell you by yourself.
Yeah.
She almost is like loose water. That thing no shot for nothing. It'll just go straight up.
I talk a lot. If I'm comfy with you. If I'm not comfy, I'm not gonna be talking to you a lot, to be honest with you. And the last question.
That ain't even outspoken. Like,
I'm very outspoken.
It's just talking.
I'm very talkative, but I'm also outspoken. Like,
yeah,
I'll be like, if something goes, I say what's on my mind. And my real friends, shout out to you guys. You know me, you know that that's how I am. If something's not right, I'm gonna say something. I'm not with the BS. So guys,
So cutting bad word.
yeah.
So
Just
evil,
in
so
case you
bad.
have kids on the channel, you know, have to keep it friendly, family friendly.
There you go.
Right. So guys, we're almost at the end of our mukbang. This food was really good. Really enjoyed talking with my husband in front of you guys. Thanks for participating. Thanks for watching our video. But before we go, we have some advice that we would want to give to like newlyweds. For me, honestly, guys, marriage is a honorable thing, and you have to make sure that even before you go into the marriage, your mind is there and you're sure that this is what you want. Now, once you get married, it doesn't get easier because you're learning about somebody else, which you should already know before the marriage, but there's some things that you will not know until you're married. So it is very good and it is crucial that you make sure that you communicate with each other. Always tell each other how you're feeling. Be honest. Honesty is another thing. And you also have to learn how to compromise. Everything is not about you anymore. It's about you. You and him.
Us.
So marriage is a beautiful thing. I'm enjoying it so far. We have challenges too, like anybody else, but we want this to work and we're just doing the right things. Don't be afraid to talk to your partner. Don't be afraid to show love to your partner. Find out what your partner likes. Everybody has a love language. Don't be afraid to find out what that person likes and do it. You know, marriage is a good thing. Anything, honey? Please share something with them.
To all my fellows on the page right now, unfortunately, the woman is always right, okay? Yes, and that I say that with a heavy heart. Okay? They're always right. Even when they're dead wrong, they're right. In other words, that's just saying, if they're wrong, just leave them to be right, okay?
But that's not right.
But that is that simple, okay? They could be dead wrong. It's like, you know what, right? You know what, babe? You're right. So I got it. And I'm to the fellows here. Excuse me. Fellas, you do that, and everything will be a breeze. Honestly speaking, it's that simple. But then at the same time, of course, once you leave the room, you could cuss, swear, flicker off in the bathroom. But just leave her know that she right. You understand, and from there it will be smooth sailing.
Anything else? Well, guys, thanks for staying with us. We absolutely enjoyed doing this, and stay tuned for our next video. Comment, like, subscribe, and see you guys soon.
Peace.
We're out.